Antarctica, a frozen continent at the bottom of the world, hostile, remote, and seemingly lifeless. And yet, for over 2 centuries, it has drawn some of the most daring explorers, scientists, and adventurers humanity has ever known. This is the story of man versus ice. Before humans ever set foot on Antarctica, it was a place of myth and speculation. Ancient Greek philosophers believed in the existence of a southern landmass, Terra Australis Incognita, a land unknown in the south, to balance the landmasses of the north. Centuries passed before this theory met reality. In the late 1700s, explorers like Captain James Cook ventured into the Southern Ocean. He crossed the Antarctic Circle but never saw the continent itself. Still, his icy voyages opened the gateway to the unknown. It wasn't until 1820 that humans first laid eyes on Antarctica. 3 expeditions, 1 Russian, 1 British, and 1 American, claimed to have seen the continent in the same year. But the race to the White Wilderness had only just begun. The first confirmed landing? That came in 1821, when American sealer John Davis possibly stepped onto Antarctic land, although the evidence remains debated. Cue the drama. This era was Antarctica's golden age of adventure, a time when courage, tragedy, and determination collided in the purest form of human endeavor. Names like Ernest Shackleton, Robert Falcon Scott, and Roald Amundsen etched themselves into history. In 1911, Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen became the first human to reach the South Pole, beating Scott by just weeks. Tragically, Scott and his team perished on the return journey, a haunting reminder of Antarctica's merciless grip. But perhaps the most inspiring tale is Shackleton's endurance expedition. Trapped in sea ice, their ship crushed, Shackleton led his crew across hundreds of miles of frozen wilderness and open ocean to safety. Not a single life was lost. As the 20th century unfolded, the age of exploration gave way to science. During the International Geophysical Year, 1957-1958, 12 nations came together to establish the first permanent research stations. This marked a new chapter, Antarctica, the global laboratory. Since then, scientists have studied climate history locked within ancient ice cores, unique ecosystems that survive under extreme conditions, seismic activity revealing Earth's geological past, and the ozone layer, first discovered to be depleting above this very continent. Today, dozens of nations operate research stations, each contributing to our understanding of Earth and the urgent climate challenges we face. In 1959, the world did something remarkable. 12 countries signed the Antarctic Treaty, agreeing that the continent would be used only for peaceful purposes and scientific collaboration. No military bases, no mining, no claims of sovereignty. The treaty, still in force today, is a rare example of global unity. A symbol of what humanity can achieve when science and cooperation come before conquest. Fast forward to today, Antarctica, once the realm of only the boldest explorers, is now reachable by tourists and filmmakers. Icebreaker cruises offer rare glimpses of its untouched beauty. Drones fly over crevasses that no human could reach. Scientists livestream their research in real time. And yet, the continent remains fiercely wild. Temperatures can plummet to -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Katabatic winds tear across the plains at over 100 miles per hour. Every step here still demands respect. From the first sighting to cutting-edge science, Antarctica has tested our limits, deepened our knowledge, and united us across borders. It is Earth's final frontier, untamed, unforgiving, and utterly unforgettable. As long as there are questions to ask, mysteries to solve, and a human spirit that dares to venture further, Antarctica will always call us back.